What is voyeurism? Voyeurism is the sexual interest in or practice of spying on people engaged in intimate behaviors such as undressing, sexual activity, or other actions usually considered to be private in nature. What is Republic Act number 9995? It is the Anti-Photo and Video Voyeurism Act of 2009. It is an act defining and penalizing the crime of photo and video voyeurism, prescribing penalties therefor, and for other purposes. Acts prohibited and punishable under the Anti-Photo and Video Voyeurism Act of 2009, Section 4. 1. To take photo or video coverage of a person or group of persons performing sexual act or any similar activity, or to capture an image of the private area of a person such as the naked or undergarment-clad genitals, public area buttocks, or female breast without the consent of the person involved and under circumstances in which the person has a reasonable expectation of privacy. 2. To copy or reproduce or to cause to be copied or reproduced such photo or video or recording of sexual act or any similar activity with or without consideration. 3. To sell or distribute or cause to be sold or distributed such photo or video or recording of sexual act, whether it be the original copy or reproduction thereof. Or 4. To publish or broadcast or cause to be published or broadcast, whether in print or broadcast media, or show or exhibit the photo or video coverage or recordings of such sexual act or any similar activity through VCD or DVD, internet, cellular phones, and other similar means or device. Penalties. The penalty of imprisonment of not less than 3 years, but not more than 7 years, and a fine of not less than 100,000 pesos, but not more than 500,000 pesos, or both, at the discretion of the court, shall be imposed upon any person found guilty of violating Section 4 of this Act. If the violator is a juridical person, its license or franchise shall be automatically be deemed revoked, and the persons liable shall be the officers thereof, including the editor and reporter in the case of print media, and the station manager, editor, and broadcaster in the case of a broadcast media. If the offender is a public officer or employee, or a professional, he or she shall be administratively liable. If the offender is an alien, he or she shall be subject to deportation proceedings after serving his or her sentence and payment of fine.